Hi guys, it's Any, aka the Knock Trader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. And today is the 1st of June 2019. I'm going to give you a technical analysis breakdown of the cryptocurrencies, mainly Bitcoin. Let's get straight into the video. You know what I'm going to ask you to do next. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. I've got Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at the Knock Trade on all social media platforms. And if you check the description section below, you'll see a link to my mailing list. If you join my mailing list, you get priority access to my training course that I'm creating for beginner traders. You also get all the latest videos straight into your inbox, and you'll get a spreadsheet that gives you a breakdown of my entries, my exits, my stop losses, and the reason behind the trades that I make. So let's get straight into it. So Bitcoin. So on the weekly chart, it looks like it started to level off a little bit. As you can see from the RSI, it's starting to get into oversold territory. It's at about 80 now on the weekly chart. But if you look at previous RSI levels when it was rising during the 2017 period, you can see that even though it climbed into oversold territory, it needs to get to about 92 before it's overextended and it'll start selling off. As you can see here, it got to 92 once before, and that's when it sold off a little bit. It got to close to about 86 here, and it retraced a little bit. Here it got to 92 again. Actually, in this position, it got to 92. Then it sold off quite a lot. So I wouldn't really take any credence into the RSI being high overbought until it hits about 90, 92 on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, it's broken. As we know, it broke the support line, the resistance line on 8,000, about 8,480. Let's say 8,500 just for convenience. It's broken that support line, and then it retraced back. I told you the next level of importance and significance would be just shy of 10,000, but it's been creeping there slowly. It's not making like the aggressive rises like it did previously. So on the 4-hour chart, let me get rid of this. On the 4-hour chart, what I can see straight away is that there was this was like a wedge that kind of formed, maybe even a triangle, I'd say. Let me draw it here. It's like, this is like a wedge forming. You can either call it a wedge or a triangle. And once it hit that, it climbed up, and now it's just retracing. It's retracing again. Now it's gonna climb again. That happens quite a lot of times with a coiled wedge. When it breaks out, it will retrace back to like the previous line. So kind of like, it's not done exactly that, but kind of like this. So often what you see with the wedge, it will climb up, retrace back to the line, and hit it as a support, and then it'll start climbing again. So that's what I expect to happen. It's come close to this line now, and now that it's hit it, or close to it, it's going to carry on rising. On the 4-hour chart, the 180-day simple moving average is still climbing, so that tells us price is still on its way up. So what I think I'd see from the next couple of weeks, or maybe even days, you never know, Bitcoin, is it just creep close slowly up to 10,000. It's not going to make the aggressive moves as it did around early May, late April, but it'll just creep up to 10,000. That's what I think will happen. I still think it's a bullish, we're in a bullish run at the moment. If you go in these shorter, yeah, once I start getting shorter than any 4-hour charts, then it starts getting harder to kind of see any real patterns because Bitcoin's so volatile. So I think I stick to like the 4-hour daily chart to really do my best analysis on Bitcoin. So back to the 4 hours. Yeah, just to corroborate my point, if you look at the MACD and RSI, they're both kind of in like negative territory, but they're both curving up, so they look like they're about to upturn. If you look at here, at this point here, where it went from MACD went from negative to positive, it had a huge spike. Well, not a huge spike, but it rallied up. It rallied up about nearly £1,000 in like a day or two, and it looks like it's just on the cusp of doing that again here. So expect this to kind of just climb up. It might even climb up to 10,000 within a day. You never know, because it looks like it's going into positive territory. So everything's kind of telling me that it's on a bullish move right now, and 10,000 or just shy of 10,000 should be the next mark. So that's me, Any, aka the Knock Trader, signing out.